Hello, and welcome to Connecting Software in Action. In today's video, we're excited to give you a live demonstration of one of our premier synchronization solutions, CB Exchange Server Sync for Google Workspace. You can securely synchronize or even migrate multiple accounts between Exchange, both online with Office 365 and on-premises, and Gmail or Google Workspace. For this demonstration, I'll be working with two sample users. One user operates within Exchange Online via Office 365. The other uses a Google Workspace Gmail account. Today, we'll focus on calendar synchronization, but it's important to note that our solution also supports syncing contacts, tasks, and mail folders, including inbox, sent items, and more. You'll notice that even recurring meetings synchronize seamlessly, whether they're created in Google Workspace or Exchange Online. All meeting details, such as priority, reminders, and attendees, are fully supported. In this example, you can see the two calendars are already in sync, except for these 4 meetings. I paused synchronization before creating those meetings to demonstrate how our solution detects and synchronizes items created while the sync was offline. Let's start the solution so you can watch the synchronization happen in real time. As you can see, the meetings created in Exchange Online are now appearing in Google Workspace, and vice versa. With synchronization running, any change made to either calendar will instantly reflect on the other. Let's try it out. I'll move this demo meeting in Google Workspace to the next day and shift another meeting in Exchange 365 by an hour. Instantly, these changes are synchronized across both calendars. What's great about our solution is that it operates on a server-to-server basis. This means there's nothing to install on your local devices, no client applications to manage. Whether your team works in any browser, such as Chrome or Edge, or in email clients like Outlook, they'll always benefit from real-time synchronization running seamlessly in the background. It's a true configure-and-go solution, available in 3 flexible options: as a shared SaaS service with no installation or maintenance, fast setup, 24/7 global access, and seamless scalability on highly secure Microsoft Azure infrastructure. As a dedicated, single-tenant SaaS environment exclusively for your organization. Or as a self-hosted deployment, giving you full control and maximum security on premises or in your own cloud or virtual machines, while ensuring compliance with strict data regulation requirements. While detailed administration is covered in another video, I'd like to quickly show you how easy it is to set up a sync pair in just 3 steps. 1. Connect to your Workspace and Office 365. 2. Create a sync pair and specify exactly what you'd like to synchronize. 3. Start the synchronization process. CB Exchange Server Sync for Google Workspace offers robust features, including item filtering, post-processing actions, and more. This solution is ideal for a variety of situations, such as large-scale migrations, effortlessly move between Exchange and Google Workspace, or vice versa, mergers and acquisitions, enable real-time bidirectional synchronization so both organizations can continue working from their preferred platforms, collaborating seamlessly from day one. Business continuity. Facilitate uninterrupted work by providing a backup system. If one environment experiences downtime, users switch to the other without missing a beat. CB Exchange Server Sync for Google Workspace is packed with powerful benefits and built for maximum flexibility. If you'd like a personalized demonstration tailored to your business needs, don't hesitate to contact us at office@connecting-software.com. We're always here to help you find the best solution. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you streamline your synchronization needs.